Differentiate y equals x times tangent of 2 root x plus 7. The first term is a product, so we will use the product rule. Inside the product rule, we will use the chain rule as well because there is a composite of function. The derivative of constant 7 is simply 0. Speed this up. Y prime equals, using the product rule, we have the derivative of x is 1 times, keep the second factor, tangent of 2 root x, plus, keep the first factor and multiply the derivative of the second factor. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. Inside is 2 root x, and then we multiply the derivative of the inner function. The derivative of 2 root x is 2 times 1 over 2 root x. The derivative of 7 is 0. Simplifying this, we have tangent of 2 root x plus 2 and 2 canceled out, and x divided by the square root of x is the square root of x. And so we end up with square root of x times secant squared of 2 root x. Differentiate y equals the quantity 2x minus 5 raised to the negative 1 power times x squared minus 5x raised to the 6 power. You might want to read it out loud so that you know which rule to use. In this case, there is a product, so we know that there is a product rule, and we raise to a power, so we will use the general power rule along with the chain rule. Alternatively, we can put the 2x minus 5 in the denominator and use the quotient rule. The answer should be the same. In this case, we will stick with the product rule. Y prime equals, the derivative of u times v is u prime times v plus u times v prime. And so first, we differentiate the first factor, which is negative 1 times 2x minus 5 raised to the negative 2. 1 less than negative 1 is negative 2, but we're not done with the derivative of the first factor. We will still need to multiply the derivative of the inner function, which is the derivative of 2x minus 5. The derivative of 2x is 2, and the derivative of negative 5 is 0, so we don't have to write it. Times, this is only u prime. We will still need to multiply v, which is x squared minus 5x raised to the 6th power. And we're still not done yet, because this is only the first factor. Plus, u is 2x minus 5 raised to the negative 1 power times the derivative of the second factor. We use the power rule, bring down the 6, rewrite x squared minus 5x, and lower the power of 6 by 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. But we're not done yet. We still need to multiply the derivative of the inner function, which is the derivative of x squared is 2x, and the derivative of negative 5x is minus 5. As always, we will try to simplify this. This is negative 2 times 2x minus 5 raised to the negative 2 power, x squared minus 5x raised to the 6th power. The second term is plus 6, 2x minus 5 raised to the negative 1 power times 2x minus 5 should cancel out, because 2x minus 5 to the negative 1 is the reciprocal of 2x minus 5. And so the second term is only x squared minus 5x to the 5th power with the coefficient constant multiple 6 in the front. We then factor out minus 2 x squared minus 5x to the 5th power. We factor out the factor with the lower power. And so we end up with 2x minus 5 to the negative 2 times x squared minus 5x minus, because we factor out the negative 2, 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3, and we factor out the factor x squared minus 5x to the fifth already. And so the answer is negative 2 x squared minus 5x to the fifth power times x squared minus 5x over 2x minus 5 squared minus 3.